It's your favorite new prince. Join the herd. Catch all the latest insights and all the hottest stories. Let's make a change. You're watching Tekiah Topikz.
Okay guys, I don't know if you can see, but there are these two really cute, adorable squirrels. They're moving fast too. There they are. There they are. See them? I guess they're giving up now.
You saw what he just did.
What'd he do?
He put his head in the water like I want to scare you guys away.
Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? I told you. That's God telling me I got you. He knows that every time I see dolphins, they're good luck. Oh my God. Yeah, they're ready. They're hungry. They're not even going under. Wow. Fly, butterfly, fly. There she is, or he. Downtown St. Pete, y'all. Right there.
Yeah, that one's moving.
I don't know where that one went. Probably look real stupid just now.
Why you said
I don't know.
Really?
Whoa! Oh, he's coming back. He or she's coming back.
Right along.
Got it. Come on. Oh my God. He's so cute. Maybe the dolphins like the song. No, you know what? I went on a dolphin tour in Tampa, and they said they like music. They can hear the music, and they can hear the vibrations.
Vibrations in the water?
Yep. So that could attract them. Where are you? He's playing around. That's pretty cool. That's what was going on. He was trying to get a fish.